Welcome children to this review exercise of your Viva book, page number 249. Here I have selected some of the questions. You can see one diagram also I have made, two diagram from this page. First one, question number 4. Let's go through the question first. Here the question is, a paper is in the form of a rectangle of dimension 21 cm by 15 cm. Yes, 21 cm by 15 cm. It is a rectangular sheet of paper. And a semicircle along its length is cut off. One semicircle has been cut off of that. Now, the area of the remaining part, that means the shaded part you are asking for. What you will do? First, here we can go for the area of this rectangle, yes. And from that, if I am talking about the pool, this is the area of this rectangle. From that, I will cut off this circular, that semicircular part. So, let's find out the area of the rectangle. Yes, how much we will get here? That is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 21 cm into 15 cm. Means 15 1 and 15, 15 to the 30 plus 131, that much centimeter square. Where it is? This is the total area of this rectangle. But we are not asking the area of the rectangle. We are asking only that part if I will cut out this semicircular part. So let's find out the area of the semicircle. How much it will be? That is equal to, for a circle the area is what? 5 r square. But as we are asking for the semicircle, so it will be half of that. That means it is by 2. And now the 21 cm, this is what? This is the diameter of that, supposed to be that circle. So here for radius we are going to consider the half of that. So let's find out the area of this semicircle, whereas r will be, that means radius will be 21 by 2 centimeter. Let's go for that. 5 means we are considering here 22 by 7. Then in place of r we are going to put 21 by 2 into 21 by 2, that much centimeter square. Now let's cancel what you are getting. Yes, here it is 11. Let's multiply them. Here it will be 33 into 21 by 2. Okay, that means we are getting here 21 3s are 63, carry the 6, 23, 21 3s are 63, 63 plus 6, 69 by 2, that much centimeter square. Or if I am changing this one to decimal, how much I will get? Let it be 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12.5, that much centimeter square. Now, yes, let's check it once more. Yes, another by 2 was there for the half. That one I have not done here. So that half also will be there. That means again here I have to multiply that half. So it will be definitely less than that. That means 693 will be divided by 4. So 4 1 are 4. It is 29. 4 7 are 28. So 1 3 13. 4 3s are 12. Here's 1 for the decimal. 0. That means 2 5 you will get. Yes, 2 0. So here it is 20 over. So that one we are getting, the area of the semicircle is coming here 173.25. That much what? Centimeter square. Now you are asking for that shaded area. So what we will do? Definitely from this rectangle I will remove this one. That means I will subtract this one. So here remaining area of the, that means the area of the remaining part. Okay, area of the remaining part equal to, how much it will be? First, the area of the rectangle I have 315 centimeter square minus 173 minus 25 centimeter square. Let's subtract these two. For the rough work, you can do it here. 315 and here 173 minus 25. So here it is 20. Let's subtract. Yes, here it is coming 14. So your answer will be 141 it will be 141.75 centimeter square. I hope you are clear about this one. Okay, now you come to the question number 6 here. You can see one diagram I had made. This is a symbol of cross as given. The question is like that. Two rectangular strips of metal each measuring 50 cm by 10 cm are welded to form a cross symbol as shown. This logo is to be painted red on both sides. The surface area to be painted is okay. So for that, what I have to do? That one I have to paint. So for that, and you are asking for both the sides. But it's okay. Two rectangle I have. That is one rectangle, and this is the another rectangle. But you can see these two rectangle is overlapping on that particular part. Here only it is overlapping. Yes or no? So that one definitely I have to subtract for both the sides. Then the total surface area we are going to multiply by 2 because both the sides we are going to utilize, and that area will be painted. Come to this question. So area of one strip, that is the rectangle. Yes. Here area of one strip. Yes. That is will be, it is rectangular. So length, that is equal to length into breadth. Here the length has given 50 cm and breadth has given 10 cm. That means we are getting 500 cm square. That kind of two strips has been used. Okay, let it be. So length, if I am taking 50 cm and breadth it is 10 cm, that means this side is 10 cm. The same thing is happening, so that side is also 10 cm. So in between what I am getting? I am getting a square. So this kind of two strips will be welded. So the area, total area what we are getting? Area of the cross equal to what it will be? The sum of the two rectangle. Yes, 2 into A into B minus that area we are going to find. We are going to subtract here. Area of the overlapping part. Overlapping square. Okay, so let's go for this. What it is? It will be 2 into 500 and that one is 10 into 10 means 100. That much what? Centimeter square. Now what you are getting? 1000 minus 100 centimeter square equal to what? 900 centimeter square. This is the one surface, one side. But in this question you have asked to paint it on the both sides. So what we will do here? Here we can go for multiplying this number, that is the surface area, by 2. Yes, the total area to paint equal to what it will be? One side its area is 900, so two sides it will be 1800 centimeter square. Yes, so according to the question, you has asked the surface area to be painted, that will be 1800 centimeter square. So let's come to the some other question on the next page. Come to that question number 7 from the fill in the blanks of page number 250. Here one diagram is given like that. Here you have asked in this question, if from the rectangle measuring 10 cm by 6 cm, a triangular region is cut, the area of the remaining part will be how much? Okay, so here one rectangle is given. You can identify that length has given 10 cm and breadth has given 6 cm. From that rectangle we have to cut out this triangle whose dimension has given 4 cm by 6 cm. Yes, so let's go for that. Yes, first we will find out the area of the rectangle. Yes, what it is? A into B. That means here we will get what? A is 10 cm, breadth is 6 cm equal to 60 cm square. Okay, now from that whole rectangle I am going to cut up this triangle. What is the area of triangle? So area of triangle. What it is? Half into base into height. So here base let it be 4 cm and height let it be 6 cm. So let's cancel them. What you are getting? 12 centimeters square. So from the rectangle I am going to, from 60 centimeter I am going to subtract 12 centimeter. I am just going to cut out this one. So area of the, here it has been asked, remaining part. Remaining part equal to what? 60 minus 12, that much centimeter square, equal to what you are getting? Yes, it will be 48 centimeter square. That is the answer. Let's come to question number 10 here from the fill in the blanks. Here one parallelogram has been given. Yes, one parallelogram of this type has given. Now this is the height has given, and that height has been given 6.2 centimeter, whereas the base has given 5 centimeter. Yes, you have asked the area of this parallelogram. Okay, so what was the formula for the area of a parallelogram? Yes, area of the parallelogram, that is equal to what? We know base into height. Base into height. Whereas base has given 5 centimeter, height has given 6.2 centimeter. Yes, let's multiply these two. What you are getting? 5 to 10. Then decimal 5 is the 30 plus 1, 31. So that area we will get here, that is equal to 31 centimeter square. So I hope you can solve the remaining question. Let's try for the remaining questions. We will discuss afterward the doubts.